Hello Lekras, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Take the question.
Explain whose W, sir.
Okay, guys, today Lekraj Pansiwal is asking that how can we use whose WH word in the English language? Guys, whose WH word is used to know the relationship with the someone, with the something. And second, to know the owner and ownership with the someone and with the somethings. Is that clear? Guys, if you want to know who is the owner, is that clear? In that condition, you can use whose WH words. For example, whose laptop is this? ये लैपटॉप किसका है? Whose book is this? ये किताब किसकी है? Whose phone is this? ये फोन किसका है? Whose school is this? ये स्कूल किसकी है? Whose computer is this? ये कंप्यूटर किसका है? It's mean we want to know exact owner of the things. In that condition, we can use whose WH words. So guys, if you like this trick, if you like this ZR, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more interesting English tricky and funny videos, then you can visit 8 our official website, whose official URL link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Okay.